guys, so we're here in Phuket once again.
We just recently stayed here last year, right?
Yep, last year March, and now this is our second time. Last time we stayed here for 5 days, and now we're staying for
24 days?
24 hours.
That's too long.
So let's see what we can do for 24 hours in Phuket.
We are looking for authentic Thai restaurant because we are craving what?
Pad Thai.
Yes. Here's the view.
Now it's 8:28 in the evening, and we're looking for something to eat.
Oh, massage places.
Massage.
Big the mangoes are here. Is this real? Oh, parang ang sarap nito, man. This area is actually giving me Siargao vibes. No? There's a lot of varieties of food and drinks. Ooh, coconut. So this is where we decided to eat finally after a few minutes of walking from the hotel. So this is the ambience. So nice.
Sana marinig yung ano.
We are here to try another authentic pad thai. I ordered pad thai with shrimp. And what did you order?
Pad Thai chicken, Pad Thai money bag,
Everything is pad thai. So
and papaya salad, and tofu shake.
it's coming. Coming.
Thank you.
Oh, this is the pad thai money bag. This is how much?
180 baht.
But first, picture. Try.
Masarap. Napicture mo na ba?
It's actually delicious. I like it.
Ano in-order mong drink? Buko? Shake. What if yung ginagamit na shake, na pang shake dyan sa buko mo ay galing sa mga hindi naman nakain ng previous customers na nag-order ng fresh buko juice? What if? Sarap. Nice eh?
The bunker. I think it's about to rain, so we need to hurry.
Kaya,
Oh, it's getting hard.
strong.
It's so hard. Hindi muna kami mag-head sa hotel dahil mag-explore pa kami since hindi na namin ito mababalikan tomorrow. So, yan. Para siyang small community na andyan na lahat. So, hindi mahirap i-explore. Ano kayang tatamaan nitong massage area na massage salon na to? Okay. Kaka-vlog, malapit na po tayong masagasaan.
Malapit na matama.
It's 6:30 in the morning. Ito. Papunta na kami sa
Ito.
Maudubua. Ang babait ng mga locals dito. So, nagbibigay siya ng tips sa amin and nakikipagkwentuhan. Very at home ka sa kanila. Nice. Explore muna namin yung cafe. So, nice. Checking of MacBook Pro. Parang last week lang nag-aya si Jude na bumili na MacBook para daw hindi mahirap mag-edit ng vlogs. So sana supportahan niyo yung channel namin para mabawi naman namin yung pinambili. Okay!